This is how to set the clock and the time and the date for your Mini 1. This is a 2011 model, but as long as you've got that particular clock, it should be the same for all of them. We're going to be using the menu button. We're going to be using the dial here to press it as an OK and to twist it to change the various bits and pieces. So we'll start with menu. You go into config, you can dial it up on the other two. Config, time, you've got your other settings. So into time format, we're on 24, you twist it for 12, 24, and then you're just going to work along the bottom, hours, minutes, days, year, etc. So we're on hours, so as you can see, you turn it up, you turn it down, OK, minutes, up and down again, OK, and then the date format is in month, day, year on this, which I haven't found a way of changing that format, so same again, up and down for the month, then it switches over to day, so you just set the day and then the year, and then you're back to the time format, so you're back to the start. So if you press mode, your clock's reset, your date's reset, you're all good to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.